All right, guys, let's talk about a XLM price prediction here for you. We're going to talk about everything you need to know, key XLM price prediction information that you need to know, support levels, resistance levels, all that kind of stuff. We're going to chat about that in this video. Please do two things. If you haven't already done so, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And before we get into this, I've got a brand new free crypto newsletter to help you generate even more wealth, more profits, put those profits in your pocket, and that's free. So the links in the description below to get that, and you can check it out. It's 100% free. A couple times a week. It's going to be delivered directly to your email inbox. So there you go. In this actual page, you see it. So it's a link right below this description. So go check it out and get into that. It's free. Okay, so we got XLM is tearing it up right now. It is up 7.89, basically 8% as of the recording of this video. We're at 39 cents, coming back from pretty significant little dip where we dipped down and hit that low to mid 30s right there. You can see it in the last 7 days. We've been down about 10%, and on the month we're still up. We're still crushing it. On the month we're up 68+% here, guys. So let's look at the chart, kind of see right here. You can see how kind of XLM just took off. And it actually went from there to there in 21 days, 118%. That's a good 21 days. Did you catch it? Did you make some money in that? By the way, I have a piece of trading indicator. I have a software that'll help you know when to buy and sell. So stick for that. How you can make even more money trading crypto. I'll share that with you here in just a minute towards the end of the video. So stay for that as well. Okay, so let's get into XLM price prediction. So it looks like we are definitely bouncing back. Okay, and so from an XLM price prediction, what I want to share with you are some key levels. Okay, so we need to defend this range, support to defend 37 to 31 cents. I don't really see 31 cents in any near time in the future. And if you look at the 7-day, we basically went down and touched on the just actually yesterday, we touched about 36 cents. So in the last 7 days or so, that's really been our low. Okay. And in the month, you can see, we're crushing it. And so that point where we hit that 36 cents in the last month has actually been our 30-day low. Now I'm not really counting this because this is where we started and we went massively up over here. Okay. So that's really why I'm pointing you and focusing you on that side of the chart. Okay. So, but that is a region. This mid 30-cent range is where we need to support. Okay, so that's our support range. All right, so resistance to break out. Okay, this is key. 42 cents and then 51 cents beyond it. So from an XLM price prediction, we need to break through those resistance levels and gather support, consensus, capital, liquidity needs to come in and take us to those levels. Okay, so I do believe this. The vibe right now is short-term shaky, long-term still bullish. I 100% agree with that. That's actually a really good one-sentence summation of that. Now, I don't think this short-term shaky is specific to XLM. Okay, that's really more to me of a market feeling. The market right now is kind of short-term shaky. Why? Again, we were left holding the bag on the Fed reducing the rate. They didn't. They chose to keep it the same. We've got a lot of fear and uncertainty and angst. That's the key word of the day for you, angst, around tariffs and their impact or not. And the back and forth, the political back and forth related to tariffs. Are they working? Are they not? All that kind of stuff is creating uncertainty in the market. Now, the crypto market has definitely boomed in the last month. I mean, we saw it with XLM. Look, this is Ethereum, right? I mean, Ethereum just dramatically in 23 days, 53% in the month of July. July was way better for cryptos moving up than I think anybody really expected. Quite frankly, July is usually a pretty slow month, honestly, and XLM definitely led the charge right here in 21 days, going up over 100+%. Okay, so just that sentence right there, short-term shaky, long-term still bullish, 100% agree with. But to me, this is not a specific XLM statement, is what I'm trying to convey to you. Is that XLM being an ISO compliant crypto, one of the 7 or 8 that are, all that, I think that it's just poised for massive growth. It's one of the key cryptos that I own. I continue to add, and I want to continue to buy more because I think there's so much upside with XLM, and I'm really excited again to be a holder of it. Okay, so for an XLM price prediction, support levels to defend, that mid 30 cents. Okay. Key resistance, we need to break through 42 cents, 51 cents, and on our way from there. And then kind of look at, let's go here real quickly, and kind of take a look at something real quickly. So if we look at kind of all time, right, there's our spikes respectively. And if we look at our all-time high per coin market cap, 93 cents, and we are 57% away from that. And that again was set 8 years ago. Okay. I fully expect us to, by the end of the year, for an XRP price prediction, 100% get back to that, if not blow past that. Because you got to realize, and you're talking about, I'm not just talking about XLM right now. I'm talking about XLM and the price in the context of the entire crypto market. If you're talking about Bitcoin going to 200,000 as possibility by the end of the fourth quarter of 2025, right? So in essence, 4 months from now, XLM is going to be right there. It's going to be booming. It's going to be there with XRP. It's going to be there with all the other ISO cryptos booming. Okay. And so I think, again, for an XLM price prediction, not worried about it. I think we're going to blow past that all-time high by the end of the year and just continue to go north of $1 and on from there. Okay. So with that, yeah. Okay. So I told you, I promised you how you could learn how to make more money in crypto and use my software. So what this is a trading indicator. That's a buy alert. That's a sell alert. The software runs on your iPhone, runs on an Android, runs on your computer. And it literally costs about $1.15 a day with a discount code. There's a link in the description below. If you're watching this on X, links below this video. It's literally costs about $1.15 a day. Okay. So 30-day money back guarantee. Okay. So it's right there. But let me show you what it does. So this is a buy alert, and it literally will send you a little pop-up. It'll send you a little alert on your phone. Buy here, sell here. So you could have perfectly caught the XLM move up and put even more money in and made like $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you an additional $1,181 in XLM. Okay, so what would you have done with an additional $1,100 in profit from your XLM? Okay, how much would have changed your life? What more stuff could you have done? And I'm asking you for $1.15 a day to use the software. That's it. So don't begrudge me that if it works to make you a lot of additional money, right? So like this is, but here's the other thing. Okay, so buy here, sell here, make 118% profit, but also sell and don't take a 23% loss. Okay, so that's how you can, you protect your profits. Okay, so do you know when to buy, but more importantly, do you know when to sell so that you don't take, in this case, a 23% loss? Same thing like for XRP. You can see this like right here, buy here, sell here, 20 days, 62% profit, right? But then sell and don't take a 21% loss. Okay, Ethereum, here's Ethereum right here, like right here, buy here, sell, buy, sell. You can see it giving you sell, buy, sell alerts as you go. In 23 days, up 53%. All right, cool. But then also sell and don't take a 12% loss on Ethereum, as an example. You can use this for any crypto out there. You can use this software anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It works. And you want an even additional bonus, you can use it for stocks as well. So this NFLX, this is the Netflix chart. You can see over here on the right, NFLX, Netflix. So this is it. You see the software working on. It works for Netflix. It works for any stock. This is Tesla. Here's Tesla's chart. You can see it right here working for Tesla. Okay, Tesla's a lot more choppy. You can see it moving. This is the Apple chart. Here it is working for Apple, telling you when to buy, when to sell. Okay, so Netflix, there you go. Okay, so give it a look. Again, take it for a test spin. You got 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee, refund policy, 100%. You're protected. So, try it out. All right, I'll see you. Links description below. See you. Bye.